In today's video, I am going to teach you how to switch templates on Squarespace 7.0. If you are using Squarespace 7.0, it is important to know that switching templates is not as direct as it was in earlier versions. In many cases, what you are really doing is updating the look and structure of your site by editing pages, adding new sections, and adjusting your global design settings. I will walk you through that process clearly so you can refresh your site without confusion. Start from your Squarespace dashboard and go to Website, then Pages. This is where you can access the page you want to update. Once you are there, open the specific page that you want to change and click Edit in the top left corner. This will take you into the page editor where you can begin adjusting the layout and overall presentation. Inside the editor, click Add Section. Squarespace gives you a range of pre-built layouts that can help you quickly change the structure of the page. This is useful if your current design feels outdated or if you want a layout that better fits your content. As you browse, look for a section style that matches the purpose of the page, whether that is showcasing images, highlighting services, or organizing text more cleanly. Choosing a new section layout is one of the easiest ways to give the page a fresh template-like feel. After you have updated the section structure, exit the editor, then look to the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon, which opens Site Styles. This area controls the visual design of your site at a global level. From here, select fonts if you want to change the typography across your website, or choose colors if you want to update the site's color palette. These settings are especially helpful because they apply consistently throughout the site, which makes your design feel more polished and cohesive. As you make these changes, keep readability and brand consistency in mind. A clean font pairing and a simple color scheme usually create the best result. Small visual changes can have a big impact when they are applied across the full site. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top left corner to keep your changes. That covers everything you need to know.